Spring cleaning is here, and if your closet looks like a complete disaster zone, stop stressing. Do not spend hundreds of dollars on a custom remodel. The truth is, you probably don't have too many clothes. You just need to maximize your vertical space. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate closet organization hack for spring cleaning. You can literally double your shelf space in 30 seconds using a hanging closet organizer. Here are the top 3 best sellers on Amazon right now for every budget. First is our budget champion, the simple Houseware 5-shelf organizer. For around $15, this is a total no-brainer. Zero tools required. Just hang it on your rod and instantly get 5 new shelves for your bulky sweaters, t-shirts, and jeans. If you are on a tight budget or tackling small closet organization ideas, this is your fastest fix. Next, we have the versatile mid-range upgrade, the StorageWorks 6-shelf organizer. Costing around $25, this one uses much sturdier fabric, but the real game changer here are the mesh side pockets. If you always lose your belts, sunglasses, or scarves, this gives you a built-in storage system for all your small accessories. Finally, the premium all-in-one, the Granny Says 6-shelf system with 5 removable drawers. If your goal is to completely declutter your closet for spring and actually hide the mess, this is it. It comes with drawers for your socks and underwear, holds up to 30 pounds without sagging, and gives your closet a clean, custom, high-end look for around $40. Which one is right for your wardrobe? Don't just reshuffle your clutter this spring. Click the link in the description below to read my full detailed review and grab the direct Amazon links for these exact products. Give your closet the upgrade it deserves, and make sure to subscribe for more easy home organization hacks.